What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another video. Today I'm bringing you another car we bought from Copart. But I didn't buy this one. My friend bought his very first car from Copart. He's on his way over here to my house, and when he gets here, we're gonna show you guys what he bought and how much he paid. Go over how much he paid, the damage, everything, the fees. We're gonna go over that when he gets here, and then we're gonna take it for a wash, get it cleaned up, and I'll see you when he gets here. So I'm here with my bro. He picked me up. He got the whip. And I'm gonna ask him some questions. He gonna explain to y'all like how much he paid and stuff like that. So I'm gonna turn it over to him. I'm gonna start asking him some questions. So how easy was the process?
Real easy.
And how much did you pay for it?
$500.
And after your fees and all that, how much did you pay?
It was like $700 or something.
And where did you get it from?
Copart.
See, anybody can buy a car off Copart. Like, I done bought 3 cars off Copart, and I'm only 19, so anybody can buy a car off Copart. So I'm gonna get out, show you around the car, show you what it's looking like, and he gonna explain what he have planned for his car. And the car will be on the channel, just so you know. Sorry, there might be a lot of noise out here. We're at like a vacuum at Spink, so sorry if you like can hear that noise in the background. But this is the car. It's a 2003 Honda Civic Coupe. 154,000 miles. I'm gonna tell you right now, whoever had it did a bad clear coat job. I mean, not clear coat, but primer job or Bondo, whatever they were doing, they did it bad. Got some nice tints on there. Nice wheels. Need to paint those black. But the primary damage was in the back, and I think it has a little bit of front end collision damage too right here. But the main damage is in the back. And as you can see right there, as I was telling y'all, he's vacuuming out the car right now. But the primary damage was supposed to be in the rear end, but you can barely tell. I guess they put the bumper back on when it was at Copart. Let me show you guys the inside. Hold on. This is the inside. He's cleaning it out because it was dirty. But minor things he would have to fix to it, just minor little stuff. He got it for a steal, like he said, $500. So it's not a bad car for 500 bucks. Okay, so he haven't looked in the glove box yet. I said, bro, did you look in the glove box? I opened it and boom, look at all this stuff in here. Now go ahead, start taking it out. Must have been sealing something. Uh-oh. You about to find the name. What's the name? What's the name? Don't show it on here, but what's the name?
Charles C.
We're gonna look him up. We're gonna look him up. Keep it so we can look him up. What's else in there? Insurance, registration. He's from South Carolina. But why was it in Savannah? Because I think this is South Carolina registration.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I guess he probably wrecked in Savannah.
I don't want to show none of his information, so I'm just... Got some lug nuts. Whole set of
bitches in there.
Boy, whole set of lug nuts. What else you got in here? You got some gum. You got I don't know what this is. Some pens, some old paper, some chapstick, some Crest breath mint. Hey, you might want to keep this. Okay. Look, read it.